just need something like to burst out.
Like,
I love my hair.
I love my hair. But
I need something that's like gonna help me.
I need something that's like gonna help me
together and love myself even
more. Get it all together and love myself even more.
Sometimes I'm mystery, sometimes I'm free, depending on my mood or my attitude. Sometimes I wanna roll or stay at home, walking contradiction, get some factual and fiction. A little crazy, little sexy, little cool.
Hey y'all, I already know like this is a whole like life-changing video. Last time I cut my hair, I didn't really record it, but I decided to record it and show you guys the process of me just waking up early in the morning saying I wanted to cut my hair. So here goes the video, and just know I'm happy about what I did. So I hope you enjoy.
I love my natural hair though, but it's damaged. It's just, no.
Do y'all not see my face? Like, that face is giving serious tease. Like, be aware that it's about to happen.
I'm pretty sure y'all see me cut my hair, but it's not just to cut my hair. Hair doesn't define me, because it's just only an accessory. And I just thought it's just time to change it up and embrace my short hair all over again. So why not? So obviously it isn't hurting me at all, because I'm gonna love the skin that I'm in. I don't care what nobody has to say about my cut or how I'm feeling. Like, no, I have to do something that's best for me. I had damages already, and you know, I just wanted to do something different. So don't mind me, but I've struggled with so much in life, and sometimes in order to get my confidence up, sometimes I have to do something that's going to challenge me to break free and move on with life. And that's what I'm truly doing. Because I remember when I cut my hair the first time, I was truly happy. And I just realized how hair just does not define who I am as a person. And I'm not trying to like teach nobody to just, oh, cut your hair whenever you're feeling some type of way. Nah, I'm not teaching that. But I will say, I would like everybody to feel confident with or without. Make you feel like you're nothing. Just keep it pushing.
And that right there was the best advice to myself, regardless of anything. Keep it pushing, sis. All right, now back to the video.
And yeah, I'm cutting out these Marley twists that I literally just put in my hair like 3 weeks ago. But guess what? I'm happy about it. And I just want to say, you know, I have fellow YouTubers that like I actually look at. Jasmine Long, Eclecnista Jr., and the Eclecnista. And then I remember when Glam was on Tay, did hers. And then another thing, like, I looked at Tamar Braxton and how that made her feel. And I'm like, I need to do it myself because I need to be set free of a lot of things. And for real, my hair, I feel like that's just one of the things. It just doesn't make me as a whole. You know, I didn't even came back to the point. Where I will hide behind my hair. And y'all know me, I don't like to hide behind my hair. Because regardless of anything, I'm gonna be who I am. I'm always gonna be that bubbly personality. I'm always just gonna be Keisha, the Glaminista.
Side note to any of my new glams, I just wanted to say, like, the reason why I used to hide behind my hair is because I have a visual impairment. Like, I have a condition where I can't control my eye movement, aka probably cross-eyed or whatever, but I really don't care. But I just felt the need that I needed to breathe free, and why not? You know, in the words of Shameless Maya, do you, boo? And that's how I was feeling. Stop hiding behind things that hold you down. All right, back to the video. I'm sorry.
And I really don't care what anybody has to say about me cutting my hair all over again. It's just my decision, and I feel like I'm just breaking free. And yeah, I'm not gonna look back and regret on this. I'm really not. I wasn't put on earth for anybody to like me or make me feel accepted. Cause only God gonna accept me and love me for real. So yeah, do something that makes you feel uncomfortable. And stop living for everybody else's expectations and telling you what to do. Because keep living like that, you won't live at all.
Can someone say that for the mother in the back? In the back? Hello? Stop living for others and live for yourself. All right? Learn something.
So, this is the back. Y'all can see it. This little section like that. Y'all just wouldn't believe how I feel, like I always struggle with feeling like my head is big, and I really don't even care because I feel like I got a cute head regardless of the fact. You know, like that's what I'm saying. Like y'all gotta start worrying about what the fuck everybody else gotta say. Excuse my language, but y'all gotta start worrying about what everybody has to say or what true definition of beauty is. Like, be your own fucking beauty. Walk around here like you're that bitch. Like, you have to. And there's a lot of females out here that's like, oh, I can't do something. No, bitch, you better go ahead and do it, because who life are you living? Yours or somebody else's? And you can only live yours. So why not go ahead and live your best life?
I'm living my best life. I ain't going back and forth with you niggas. Ow! Live your best life.
I have 2 left. My last one. Well, no, I actually had 3, but all of this hair that's sitting on my head and how I feel right now, like, my confidence level came from I say like a 3 from just having hair on my head all the way up to like a 20. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, like when I first cut my hair, like beforehand, I was scared as hell. But now, fuck no. Excuse my language. But no, like I feel like everything. And yeah, I'm gonna go get it cut and stuff because yeah, it's gonna be real cute.
Excuse my dry dandruff. Oh my God, girl. Who you thought you was? Oh my God, sometimes it's good to laugh at yourself. But yes, honey, I'm slaying. Nappy head, dirty head, dandruff head. Oh, I'm slaying. Alright. Let me chill out.
Yeah, don't let hair drag you down. And if you feel the need to cut your hair. You only live once. You only live once. And y'all know my quote. Y'all should know it. You only live once, so why not kill it? You get it? Okay? You only live once, so why not kill it? So why not cut your hair and do something that just makes you scared? Like, so what? Forget the hair. It's nothing. Like, I'm coming to y'all, dandruff and all, product buildup. I don't care, y'all. I don't care. Like, I feel the most confident. Like, even if like you're contemplating about cutting your hair, do it. Do it because you're gonna forever keep thinking about it. I thought about cutting my hair a couple weeks ago, and I'm finally doing it, and I'm finally free. So I'm just gonna say this. I appreciate you guys for watching. Like, this is me all over again. Like, start over, whatever. Like, this is just how I'm feeling in life right now, and it's okay to feel that way. It's okay to feel like, oh, maybe I don't want no hair, maybe I don't want this, and it's cool. It's fine. Just know that all the outer stuff, the accessories of your body, your hair, even your nails, it doesn't define who you are. It doesn't define who you are as a person. So just always remember that, and just do something that just makes you scared regardless, because if you don't be in an uncomfortable situation, you're gonna continue to stay comfortable. So yeah, I just want to say that, and yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll probably come back and show you guys the cut, and because I'm gonna do like a cut and a color, and yeah, so alright guys, bye.